Hello and welcome to a very special episode of Joe Semi. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. Today I want to talk to you about a house that I have been recently made aware of, and I'm really intrigued by it. And I am so fortunate to be one of 500 people to be experiencing this fragrance. I've heard such great things about this brand that I had to see for myself. So this is Ibrahim Fuhaid. Ibrahim Fuhaid. He's known for making oud fragrances that are sort of mixed with different notes, like different accords. I'm going to show you what this one's all about. I'm going to pull this one out so you guys can see it. He has a very interesting approach to the perfume, and I'm just going to pull it out real quick so you can see there. This is the box that slides open. And then this is the card with the fragrance information. I believe he does stuff where he's sort of mixing elements of like wine, I think, or boozy elements with oud. And similarly to wine and similarly to anything that's like a sort of like an aged bourbon or anything like that, oud gets better over time as it ages. So I think we have parallel universes. We have wine that's aging, oud that's aging, and then you combine those universes together. So real quick about this one, this happens to be number 348 of 500. That's amazing. I'm going to save this card because that's very important. So thank you for your fine taste in choosing Vinoud perfume. You're one of 500 people in the world who own this perfume, which makes you very unique. In this fragrance, you'll enjoy the charming experience of 4 types of luxurious natural ouds: Laos, Trat, Prakan, and Assam. And boy, oh boy, can I smell the oud. I didn't spray anything. I can smell it. Nothing has been pulled out here. As well as 2 kinds of natural whale ambers. One of them is the Bahamas, and the other one is from the beloved Oman. And also 2 types of natural deer musks, and the first from Tibet and the second from Nepal. And is why is this edition limited 500 pieces? I hope you enjoy Vinoud. Every time you wear it, the beauty of fragrance will increase the longer it's stored due to the natural ingredients used in making one of a kind. Of course, it has it's stamped with the the Ibrahim Fuhaid. It's stamped with his crests in there. And I do see like apples and things like that, whale. It's sort of like telling you what to expect in here. So I think this is more about the oud. But when I said stuff about wine and things like that, that's similarities there. So let's smell this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can smell the apple in this. I can smell the fruitiness on this. That's why when I see vin, V-I-N, just makes me think of wine, vin, oud. Wow. Wow. I have never smelled anything like this. This is so impressive. So impressive. Oh my gosh. This is so good. So y'all need this is going to be, this is so good. I think this is available at Lucky Scent, but it's hard to find in stock. It is hard to find in stock, but I think I've seen this on Lucky Scent. Okay, oud lovers, you must get this, period. If you're into oud, if you're into high quality, this kind of a stuff, sort of like your Arige de Doré, your Bortnikov stuff. If you're into that, this is in your wheelhouse. Vinoud. Only 500 in the world will have it. So, wow, I can't wait to wear this. I am very impressed. I love it. And I think you guys are going to be blown away by this. So check it out when you get a chance. Let me know what you think after you do. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.